Hospital posters inform visitors to vaccinate themselves against measles, but the message isn't getting through. In May, the World Health Organization reported more than 12,000 people had been infected with the highly contagious disease in Ukraine this year. Almost all of them needed hospital treatment, and 9 died. Now, in October, the Ukrainian Health Ministry confirmed that the number of deaths had risen to 14 for 2018, while the number of cases of measles had jumped to over 32,000. The main cause is that the number of people being vaccinated against measles has dropped dramatically, from 95% in 2008 to 31% in 2016, among the lowest in the world.
There are big pockets of people who were not vaccinated and not properly vaccinated in different age groups. Some of them were not vaccinated due to the situation with vaccine supply. Some of them, adults, were vaccinated, for example, only with 1 dose instead of 2 doses. Some of them were vaccinated with the vaccines which were not stored properly, so there are all different reasons for that. However, what is really worrisome is that people are dying from measles in Ukraine.
For more than a year now, a national measles task force has been working to make sure that every eligible child is vaccinated against MMR, along with training laboratory staff to detect the disease early.
We switched to the 3-year planning and budgeting, and the government allocate additional resources for the vaccination. We also checked all groups of children who missed the vaccination within their routine schedules and implement the supplementary immunization for this group of children.
In addition to that, he says, the government provides vaccinations free of charge to adults in high-risk groups, but making the vaccine available is only solving 1/2 of the problem. There are still many parents in Ukraine who avoid immunizing their children because they have believed misleading information.
I don't vaccinate my kids. I'm against vaccination because our state isn't interested in having a healthy nation. Vaccination kills the immunity of children. Concerning the information about measles or any other virus disease outbreak, in my opinion, it's marketing tool and nothing else.
Stahovska's children play in the same playground with others who'd been given all the recommended vaccines. Grandmother Zoya Popova is at the swings with her grandchild. She believes those who don't vaccinate their children are putting others at risk.
The vaccination must be done. All the world does vaccinations. So how can we not to do it? Look, what are the consequences of that? This measles epidemic is caused by a large number of people who are not vaccinated. This is the second generation which has had such relaxed attitude to vaccination. It's not right.
Ukrainian Health and Education Ministries prohibit anyone, with some exceptions, who hasn't been vaccinated from visiting schools and kindergartens. But, according to the WHO, Ukraine continues to face the largest outbreak in measles in the European region. However, more than 100 cases per month are also being reported in countries such as France, Greece, and Italy.